Good afternoon. This is Patrick Dalton, and I'm doing the Interactive Advanced Concept presentation number 3, which is the baking soda and vinegar rocket experiment. So pretty much in this experiment, it's pretty basic. It's something similar to what I've done before. I'm pretty much using a base, which is the baking soda, and a acid, which is the vinegar, to create a reaction, pretty much. I expect there to be gas that will be developed through that, but I'll explain that a bit later. But first, I'll show you exactly, like I said, the tools I'll be using for this experiment. Here I have myself a cleaned out water bottle. It's empty. I have a cap on it as well. Myself the baking soda that I'll be using. What I'll be doing with the baking soda is putting it in a paper towel and dropping it into the water, but I'll explain that in a little bit later. Then I have my distilled white vinegar that I'll be using as my acid for this experiment. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some vinegar to this water bottle now. My water bottle of vinegar here. I am now going to put baking soda inside of a paper towel, and we're going to drop it in, seal it up, and see what happens. So I just poured some baking soda in here, and we're just going to wrap it up in this paper towel. I have my paper towel with baking soda inside of it. We're going to quickly put it inside of the water bottle. I'll seal up the water bottle and see what happens. So let's do that now. Alright, so I'm going to drop this in, shake it up a bit, and we'll see what happens. Put it in, seal it up, give it a shake. I thought it was going to explode. Yeah, so if I open this up a little bit. Whoa! There it goes. Awesome. It's like a gun. So now I'll go ahead and give a brief explanation of what happened. So, like I said, the acid in this reaction is the vinegar, and the base is the baking soda. So when the vinegar and baking soda are mixed together, the reaction produces water and carbon dioxide gas. So when the bottle is capped, all that carbon dioxide gas is becoming built up inside of the sealed water bottle, which I'm not sure if you were able to hear, but you can kind of hear the crackling of all that pressure building up inside the water bottle because of all the CO2 gas being produced. So as soon as I was able to loosen up the cap a bit, you heard that big pop. That was the huge release of all that carbon dioxide gas inside of the water bottle. So because the carbon dioxide gas builds up into the pressure of all the contained gas builds up to a degree that it pretty much causes the cap to pop open, burst open like a rocket, but I guess it's more like a cannon in this sense. But that was our interactive advanced concept presentation number 3.